There are two critical measurements to determine how well an easy clean coating is performing. The first is contact angle, and the second is sliding angle. Both are equally important and a useful combination for evaluating the performance of different coatings. On the exterior of commercial buildings, rain and irrigation water can transfer pollution in the form of acid rain, silicone sealants, concrete minerals, construction debris, and other contaminants, marring the aesthetic beauty and compromising important light and heat transfer or blocking capabilities. Water itself can actually penetrate the pores in glass and begin eroding the surface, etching the glass permanently. DFI's hydrophobic protective coatings prevent this contamination and damage from happening by repelling water and oil too, making it slide off quickly. Contact angle and sliding angle tell us how well we do each of those. Contact angle indicates how repellent a surface is to a certain liquid. DFI coatings are both hydrophobic, water repellent, and oleophobic, oil repellent. Since the primary liquid our coatings are exposed to is water, we most often test using water. Therefore, when we report contact angle, it tells you how strongly the surface repels water. The higher the contact angle, the more the coating is repelling the water. Scientists measure contact angle on a special machine called a goniometer. This machine measures how high a bead of water stands up on the surface. As you can see, the contact angle of water on DFI protected surfaces is much higher. The higher the contact angle of water, the better the coating is performing. This is true for all hydrophobic coatings. The higher the contact angle, the better they are doing their job. But contact angle is only half of the equation. Equally, if not more important, when evaluating the performance of a hydrophobic coating is the sliding angle measurement. Sliding angle tells us how sticky the surface is. While it may seem odd, water may not always easily slide off a highly water-repellent surface. This is why contact angle alone is not a good measure of how a coating performs. Scientists measure sliding angle by placing a small drop of water at one end of the surface being tested. Then they slowly raise that end until the water slides down the tilted surface. The sooner the drop slides, the lower the sliding angle. The lower the better, because that means that the water can't stick and dry there, damaging the surface. A lower sliding angle can also indicate that any contaminants that do temporarily stick to the surface will be easier to remove. DFI continually take measurements on our protective coatings and those from our competitors to ensure we are providing the highest quality and best combination of price and performance on the market today. We also take the additional step of conducting tests on real-world protected and unprotected surfaces exposed to years of use, as well as testing that simulates years of cleaning, where we will remeasure both the critical angles to ensure our coatings are performing as promised. Welcome to an easier and more beautiful life, brought to you by DFI Protective Coatings and Cleaners.